Hello, today we are starting with a very interesting and different topic which is called supply chain management in retail. So before we get into the topic, let us just understand the course structure or what all are we going to learn in this subject. First, we have introducing retail supply chain. Then you have category management and merchandise budgeting. Then we have assortments and space management. Then we have retail pricing, retail product lifecycle management, retail distribution and replenishment, retail logistics, retail supplier relationship management, retail customer relationship management, managing supply chain of different retail formats, apparel and footwear retailing supply chain. Here we'll also do a small case study. And finally, we have information technology for retail. So let us now start with the first chapter, which is introducing retail supply chain management. So, what exactly is supply chain management? Supply chain management involves all processes of designing a product, sourcing components for making it, manufacturing the finished product, and distributing it to the final customer. So, it's not just many people have this block in their mind that supply chain management deals just with logistics, but that's not the right thing, because supply chain management involves all the processes right from the time when you start making the design of your product to whatever raw materials and components you have to procure from the suppliers, then manufacturing that product, converting those raw materials into the finished product, and then also distributing or transporting it to the final customer through the various intermediaries. So supply chain management involves all these processes. A company's supply chain boundary can be up to its supplier and customer, or up to supplier and customer's customer. So there are many companies who sell products to their wholesalers, and there are companies who sell to their retailers. There are also companies who sell directly to the customers. So managing supply chain is very important to a retailer's business, because an important value addition that the retailer does is that he moves the product from the point of origin, that is from the manufacturer or any other source, that is the supplier, right up to the point of consumption, that is to the customer. And there are a lot of supply chain processes that are involved in this. So it includes your sourcing, transportation, warehousing, inventory management, replenishment, cold chain management, etc. So retailers are more and more trying and taking control of even designing and manufacturing of private labels, and most of the times they usually outsource manufacturing. Retailers also have to take care of many supply chain issues like which products to stock, how to price their products, how to handle reverse logistics, that is when the products come back or they are returned. So the efficiency and effectiveness of managing these processes decide what kind of product choices the retailer will offer in his store, what price will he offer them, and how will he provide better choices or better customer service. And if we talk about your leading retailers of the world, in fact Walmart is the largest retailer in the world, and they brought continuous innovations in supply chain, uh, pr- replenishment programs, they've brought so many changes in, and some very good best practices like your continuous replenishment program, collaborative planning, forecasting and replenishment, cross docking, flow ready merchandise. So these innovations have not only helped Walmart to reduce their price, everyday low price, but also they are able to offer a lot of choices at all their stores. So that's why managing supply chain is core to a retailer's business.